and welcome back to episode 2 now of, no it is number 2, number 2 of the wedding series for my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Nat and I am doing all things health, beauty and lifestyle, and I am getting married in a couple of months this year. So this whole series is about my journey to my wedding. So today I'm downtown in Brisbane and I'm getting my hair and makeup trial done. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I think because I'm so picky about how I do my own hair and especially my makeup. So it is gonna be interesting. I'm really hoping that it goes well. I'm just trying to put all my trust in her. I know that she's incredibly talented. I am gonna keep my makeup artist details private for now until I see if I like it or whatever. But yeah, so she's told me to wear just my everyday makeup. I'm looking a bit disheveled at the moment. I just have my base and my eyebrows and stuff done. I didn't put any eye makeup on, just so she can see how my skin wears and stuff like that, and basic hair, which is a little bit frizzy, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna run and grab a coffee first, then we'll head on in, get my makeup and hair done, and I will see you guys after and let you know how it goes. Can I just get one regular almond milk vanilla latte, please? Success. Let's go. It's okay. That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm really scared.
I'm back in the car now. Unfortunately, my camera did die while I was in there, but I did manage to get some footage of me having my hair done. We didn't film everything hair and makeup wise because I do want to keep some of it a secret, but I'm so happy with everything. My hair and makeup is exactly what I want, but we are going to mix it up a little bit on the day so that you guys don't know exactly what it's going to look like. But I'm so impressed by my hair and makeup artist. She really took the time to understand what I want, and she is just such a beautiful person as well. So yeah, this is it guys. I'm really excited. I'm so happy. I was really worried that I wasn't gonna like what I got because I am such a perfectionist, because I do my hair and makeup myself all the time anyway, but overall so happy. So this is episode 2 now of my wedding series. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you're new to my channel or haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.